Hi guys, I'm Carlos Agassi, tips for leg day. So throughout my career, since I started 13 years old, now 45, I love deadlifts, Romanian deadlifts, lahat yan. And then nung na-ACL, MCL meniscus surgery ako, ito yung therapy exercise na hanggang ngayon ginagawa ko. Kailangan nyo i-balance lang sarili nyo. I'll put this aside para makita nyo. Inhale pa baba, exhale pataas. Kung di nyo pa kaya, find something na makakahawa kayo. So ganyan, put this up, go down. Try to touch your ankle. Then go up, exhale. Try to do 15 reps, 15 to 25. It's actually hard. Medyo mahirap siya. Kaya hindi na ako makatingin sa inyo. Ayoko mahulog. Mapahiya ako, ha? 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick your back leg up. 9. Sana nakikita.